Everyone needs to wear sunscreen, and everything's a trade-off. You know, people don't like sort of telling the truth about, the negative truth about things that are good for us. Because many things that are good for us also have a negative side. Sunscreens are no different. The physical blockers, the micronized, the little tiny particles of zinc and titanium oxides are very, very small. Otherwise, they look white, like in the old movies where you see a lifeguard with white stuff on his nose. And so people make those particles very small, and they work their way into the skin and into the body. And, you know, it's a trade-off. Other types of sunscreens, there are chemical sunscreens. Chemical sunscreens are chemicals. Some of them can have a hormone-like effect, so it's always a trade-off. But in my opinion, the sun is far more dangerous than any of the sunscreen products or ingredients. The sun damages our DNA in our skin, and it actually suppresses our whole body's immune system by attacking the skin. So sunscreens are imperative. Additionally, how long does your sunscreen last? 1 year. Whether you leave it out in the sun, leave it out in the heat or not, unfortunately, I tell my patients, and I also throw out my sunscreens every year when there's a new season, because they do indeed degrade. Sunscreens also break down in the sun, which is why you always hear people telling you you need to reapply sunscreen when you're in the sun. It breaks down and it sweats off. In my opinion, wearing an SPF 70 or 100 is not as important as wearing, let's say, an SPF 30 that's waterproof or sweatproof if you're going to be outside, you know, doing physical activity. So I like Coppertone Sport in the blue bottle and Coppertone Kids Sport in the aquamarine bottle. Those are two of my favorite sunscreens.